Are you ready to embrace a plant-based lifestyle? Building a well-stocked pantry with essential plant-based staples is key to creating delicious, nutritious meals. In this video, we'll explore the must-have items for a plant-based pantry so you can easily whip up satisfying dishes anytime. Let's start with grains. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, oats, and whole wheat pasta are versatile and provide a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They form the foundation of many plant-based meals, from hearty grain bowls to comforting stews. Legumes and beans are powerhouse ingredients in a plant-based diet. Stock up on lentils, chickpeas, black beans, and others of your preference. They are packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. These legumes can be transformed into delicious curries, soups, or added to salads for a satisfying plant-based protein source. Nuts and seeds are essential for adding flavor, texture, and nutritional boost to your meals. Keep a variety on hand, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, hemp seeds, flax seeds, and sunflower seeds. Sprinkle them over salads, blend them into creamy sauces, or use them as a crunchy topping for roasted vegetables. A well-stocked spice rack is a secret weapon for flavor-packed plant-based cooking. Essentials like turmeric, cumin, paprika, cinnamon, and garlic powder can elevate the taste of any dish. Experiment with different spices to create exciting flavor profiles that will keep your plant-based meals interesting and delicious. Canned goods like diced tomatoes, coconut milk, and vegetable broth are convenient pantry staples that provide the base for many plant-based recipes. They add depth and richness to soups, stews, and sauces. Don't forget to stock up on plant-based milk alternatives like almond, soy, or oat milk for your morning coffee or to use in creamy smoothies. By having these plant-based staples in your pantry, you'll always be prepared to create nourishing meals. Take some time to organize your pantry, label containers, and keep ingredients easily accessible. This will save you time and make it easier to plan and prepare plant-based meals. So, take a step towards a plant-based lifestyle by stocking your pantry with these essential staples. With grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, spices, and more, you'll have everything you need to create flavorful and nutritious plant-based meals. Embrace the power of plant-based eating and discover a world of delicious possibilities.